My dear friends, as we prepare for the CA exam, we should keep certain things in mind. That is, first, we should set the objective. What for we are studying the CA? Either to clear the exams or to come out as a successful professional. For these two things, the timeline, resources available with you, the environment, and your friends and family plays a vital role for your education purposes. So, in order to achieve what you have planned, first you have to do a SWOT analysis. SWOT means SWOT, your strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. What is your strength? Studying for long hours together, hard work, smart work, focusing on the subject what you read, that is the concentration, reducing the number of distractions, giving break in between the studies, mindful of what you are doing, your friends, your family, how do you plan and how do you do the studies as per the plan. These must be your strength. That is, the attention to focus on a subject will definitely yield a result as you study for any subject as well as for any exam. But when you look into your weakness, your ability of not to concentrate because of the deviations what you have. The deviations can be of your friends, your addiction to mobile, your TV, internet, getting deviated so easily for anything, laziness, lack of interest in the subject. These can be your weakness. But the weakness can be overcome by certain principles what you adopt. Next, we will go to the opportunity. What is your opportunity available? The time. Make use of your time available with you. As I told in my first video, always split your available time into multiple categories. What you can achieve the most productive way, where you can revise, and where you can calm down yourself to prepare for the next session. When you look into the other opportunities, your environment and family and friends play a vital role because some can be a motivative aspect. Spend as much as time with your friends who can spend more time towards in motivating yourself, but don't get distracted because the distraction will pull you down in many ways. It can even lead to a situation where you are not able to recollect what you have studied because of the multiple deviations what you have. When you look into a subject and the time availability, don't say that you have only 1 hour. Consider the hour to be a minutes, to be a seconds, you have more. So it is all the mind which matters a lot as we prepare ourselves for anything. So there are multiple opportunities around you which can definitely take your energy to heights and you can be a successful professional and a successful student. What is your threat? Please focus on one book. During the exam days, most of the students tend to speak to your friends and ask, hey, how much you have studied? How much hours you have spent during the day? That is none of your business because you and him or you and her are not comparable. You have your own strength, you have your own weakness, you have your own opportunity. Don't make yourself compared with someone else and lose your focus on the subject. The better way to focus yourself is completely keep yourself away from all the deviating activities. Just focus on one book. Just focus on one book because the multiple books writes the language in a different way, but the content would remain the same. But how can you avoid selection of a wrong book? At the planning stage, please focus and select a book which is more convenient to you, which is more lucid in a way in which you can read it. Once you have selected, whatever might be the reason, just follow it. If you just get deviated from the way in which you have planned, unless otherwise situation warrants, the time and effort which you spent till the date of change completely goes waste. So focus on one book. There are multiple books, multiple materials, internet availability about a subject matter. Your objective is not to read everything. Your objective is to understand the concepts well, how to apply. The industry always expects a CA to apply what they have learned in a particular situation. That ability will come only when you are able to understand the concepts, visualize where it has an impact, and how your knowledge can be implemented in a particular situation. Else, the entire knowledge is of no use. Knowledge should be implemented. The objective of the CA is to bring up the economy by spreading the knowledge what he has gained over the articleship as well as through the CA curriculum, for which understanding the concepts in a more focused way and more implementable in a particular situation plays a vital role to be a successful professional. So focus on one book, understand it well, and don't just listen to more friends. Just have one or two to have the updates of what is going on, and don't just get deviated to him by he has spent 14 hours, you have spent only 8 hours. The quantity does not matter, rather the quality matters. The time in which you study is more important. How dedicated you are, how concentrated you are, how you are able to understand the concepts well and in a relaxed way. The stress can create lot of problems. The stress can create lot of problems in the ability to recall a subject. So don't get stressed yourself. Focus on one thing. Visualize the things as you have learned. Practice. Plan and practice. It's very important for an effective execution and implementation. How do you avoid the stress? Concentrate. Be mindful of what you are doing. Now the objective, go back to point number 1, the objective. The objective of your studies is to clear the exams, understand and implement in the way in which the industry expects and the way in which you like it. It's not like what others want you to do. It is the way in which what you want to do, in the way in which you have studied. Everyone is not comparable. Even you yourself is not comparable in multiple situations. When you yourself is not comparable, what type of comparison you can make with others? Absolutely no. So just focus on yourself, focus on the time available, don't get stressed off, don't get deviated, make use of the available time, read it, read it, read it. Thank you, Shankar.